I'm at the Conrad Tulum and I wanted to get a quick video of the stunning governor's suite here. The rooms are absolutely beautiful. Here you have your walk-in shower with a view, great balcony, and all of these rooms have a plunge pool. There's the plunge pool. Let me spin around here. You can see the master bed. And we come through here and you have this great living space with fantastic wet bar area and a stunning balcony looking out to the mangroves, and the beach is just right on the other side of the mangroves here. So again, this is the governor's suite here at Conrad Tulum.